our entertainment news. We want to come all the ogbonge updates they happen for Tado. If you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una do well now to go subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, don't forget to turn on that notification bell. Make you they get ogbonge message, first class information as alerts for your phone. No, this one not be them say. This one not see for yourself. Make you hear for yourself. As I talk on before, Kasala don't bust. All of us know this boy that they call Akina. We suppose know one now correct, confirm the nollywood actor. He don't come and say the one finish up with Billy no. Say Billy now they carry and they go where I don't know. Say it just the worker they go now. Billy they carry and they go. Billy now they carry and they go. Instead not only Nigeria people now. Say other countries now don't they involved for this matter. Say they go just call on message and say if you open social media now, all the message, most of the message where they see. Now, sir, please help me with this kind of money. Sir, please help me with this kind of money. Sir, please give me this money. He said the one way come more than pass. The one way come they make it hair they scatter. The one way they make it that they roll. Say the kind amount that they call. Say one time like that, now someone asking for $35,000. Hey, oh, this happen. He said another one because he asked her for $12,000. He said they're not the reason say now family person or he not get other things to do for life. When you go wake up, ask around. Say he no understand. Say him too get responsibilities. So why people always they come with DM, come they beggar, like say he not get waiting they use money do. I laugh, but my teeth not show. Because this matter, it get as it be. You say why they not they use their sense at least. If you want beg with sense now. Not be you don't need to come meet me now. They beg when they ask me for $35,000. Yeah? If you even say anything, I will come use my mind give you. But this one you can't they demand because say waiting now. Now you they work for her, abi now you give her money where they the life where it is so. When I come like say they formulate, make una watch this video, make una hear waiting talk for this video. My people, watch this video to the end.
Yes, at the vessel, I'm not happy. I'm not happy. Guys, this thing is getting out of hand. This thing is getting out of hand. How can you people turn my DM to Bank of Industry? Huh? If I open my DM every time, oh God, bros, please. Jesus, it's too much. Please. The way you guys debate this in life, say we don't get responsibility. If I start to share the money like that, guys, it will finish. Haba. Even whenever I open my DM, bros, I beg, my mother is this, bros, I beg, I need 40,000, bros, I beg. Imagine somebody was begging me for, I need $35,000. That's how much in Naira. Approximately 20-something million. Jesus. And that one was asking me for $12,000 that he wants to open a shop. Man, the problem is that it's not just Nigerians. I beg. You guys are making it look like we have this money packed somewhere and it's a must that we cater for your needs. No.
My people, when I don't watch the video, like I talked on before, anything what would they do for this? Like, what would they use our sense now? How we go just they beg money? Like say you not get any other thing to do for life, you not get everything they use the money they do. Not be so now. Maybe they use sense. You go just open the social media platform. Now beggars not many pass normal clients or normal message. Yeah. This one big pass me. Anyway, my people, now this one we bring for our entertainment news. Listen, I think concerning this matter, make una like and drop una comment for comment section. Until we meet again for another entertainment news, make una stay safe. Una done.